So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable double tap to turn screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So this double tap allows you, when your device is turned off, to just tap on the screen like that for it to turn on without you having to press on the button. So in order for you to turn that feature on or off, start by opening the Settings app. And in Settings, you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, tap on Motions and Gestures, and then you should see the option double tap to turn on screen. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever I'm on my lock screen, if I perform a double tap, the screen will turn on. So if you want to disable it so that the double tap does nothing, just tap on the toggle like that. And now when you're on your lock screen, even if you double tap anywhere on your screen, the screen will no longer turn on. But if you want to enable it so that you can just double tap to glance at the contents of your lock screen, all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And so now, whenever your screen is turned off like this, and you want to glance at the lock screen, whether it's to view notifications or the time or the date, just double tap and the screen will turn on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.